Collect your semen directly into the collection cup provided in the kit. Let the sample sit for 60 minutes. Put on the gloves before moving to the next step. Gloves are not included. Open the conical tube, measure and pour 30 milliliters of tap water into the conical tube. Transfer the semen from the collection cup into the conical tube with water. Add 10 drops of solution 1 to the diluted semen. Close the tube with the lid and mix by inverting the tube 3 times. Place the tube on the stand. Wait for another 60 minutes. Straining process. Set the tube in the stand. Place the cell strainer into the empty conical tube. Slowly decant the semen sample into the strainer. Should the sample need homogenizing, delicately agitate it using a pipette within the filter. In the event of a clog, gently rinse the filter under running tap water before continuing with the filtration process. Close the conical tube with the lid. Place a new conical tube into the stand. Remove the plunger from the 10 ml syringe. Attach the filter to the syringe and position it over the tube. Draw up 5 milliliters of the mixed sample with the pipette. By using the pipette, transfer 5 milliliters of the sample into the syringe. Reinsert the plunger. Apply gentle pressure to push the sample through the filter into the tube. Avoid pushing the remaining air in the syringe. If you encounter resistance towards the end, stop applying pressure to prevent harm to the filter and move on to the next step. Detach the syringe from the filter. Remove the plunger from the syringe, and reconnect the syringe to the filter. Add approximately 40 drops, which equates to 1 milliliter, of solution 2 into the syringe. Reinsert the plunger and carefully administer the solution through the filter. Avoid pushing the remaining air in the syringe. Label the zip bag with the sample number and the date of collection. After filter flushing, disconnect the filter and place it in the provided zip bag, ensuring proper sealing of the bag. Store the bags with samples in your fridge until shipment. Wash all the conical tubes and the syringe thoroughly with water after use, and leave them to air dry to prepare them for the next sample. If you have any questions or need assistance, please reach out to our customer support at info@SpermSure.com.